This is a story about Rembrandt van Rijn, Peter van Honk, a designer and artist in Amsterdam, and me. I'm Bill Ritchie. In 1969, I was in the Rembrandt's Museum in Amsterdam, and I was struck like a bolt of lightning. Rembrandt printed on a wooden press. In 2012, I made a tiny replica of a wooden press inspired by that Rembrandt press that I saw. In 2019, Peter van Honk also went to the Rembrandt's Museum, and he also made not only a miniature version of the press, but a full-size version on the drawing boards. He went further, Peter van Honk did. He began to design a game with cards. And today, I received this in the mail. I didn't expect it. It's a surprise. But Peter van Honk has produced cards that people can buy on the web. I've seen them on my computer on the internet, but now I'm getting to see the real thing. They're all in Dutch. They all have two sides, and they're printed on paper, nice heavyweight paper with decal edges. Each one has an image, and it's going to take me a while to translate it with my computer, but to see what the image says. I think they're mysteries. I think it's a game that you have to learn what the parts mean, what the images mean. It's an educational game, I think. When a person has gone through all the cards, they probably will know a little bit more about printmaking and Rembrandt. If I'm not mistaken, this is a print that Peter pulled when he was at the museum, because they have a technician on hand to help visitors actually print from a plate, a restrike, a rebuilt plate after Rembrandt. Rembrandt made a lot of self-portraits. We call them selfies today. This is one of them. The map of old Amsterdam. Oops, upside down. This is a view of the press, 17th century style press. Oh, that's kind of funny. I actually cut my finger the other day, and I took the bandage off because I thought it was too unsightly for my video, but now that I've started bleeding again, and I put some of my blood on Peter's card. Too bad. One of my favorite etchings, Three Trees by Rembrandt. Etching a plate the old way by pouring the acid across the plate. It's not recommended you do that at home. Piece of a self-portrait, the famous self-portrait in a cap. Another view of a 17th century press. And this is a picture of the museum studio as it appears today. You can see it when you're in Amsterdam. Peter's lucky. He lives only about 1 hour's drive from Amsterdam. This is the view of the design of the wheel, the star wheel for the press. I think that's the design that Peter's using. Well, I wanted to share this set of cards that Peter sent, and you can have these cards too. You can go check it out. Thanks for watching. I'm Bill Ritchie.